Hello, good afternoon everyone. Yes, it's afternoon, it's not morning this time because we wanted to have a bit of relaxing and peaceful morning, and it's afternoon and we are heading to the downtown of Mykonos and we are going to explore there, and I'm going to bring you with me. Apparently we are lucky because we came here in April and there are not many tourists right now, but apparently if you come during the summer you won't find Mykonos like this. During summer there is a lot of traffic around Mykonos and it's better. I'm glad that we came this time. It's not very hot, but this is a great temperature. Apparently this is the old port.
Here you can either take a boat to go to the new port and to your cruise ship, or you can take a boat and go to the nearby island of Delos, which is an UNESCO archaeological site, and it's very beautiful. You have to visit there, but you can only go there by boat, and nobody lives at the island. Only there is a guard that guards the place 24 hours.
Right now we are in a restaurant with a great view and we are going to have Greek food. Look at the view. You should pay the bill, you know? This is obligatory. You have to dance and then pay the bill.
Yeah, this is called Raki. And the song was Greek, yes, yes.
And the dance?
Dance also Greek.
Oh, good. Right now we are next to the beach and we are going to climb and go there. We didn't reach where we wanted to be. It's a dead end and we don't know. We just found that we can't go there because apparently we are in the wrong way, and to go there it takes ages, and that's why we have to go down. I get that? We just met a guy and he asked us where we are from. When he found out I'm from Iran, he asked which part of Iran you are from. When I said that I'm from Tehran, he said, oh really? I've been to Iran 2 years ago, and in the city of Tehran, usually tourists, they don't go to Tehran, they just landed in Tehran and go to touristic cities. And it's nice to have a chat about the city you are from. And it's time, you know, after walking around this beautiful town, and we are in Greece, we should go for ice cream. Let's go and find ice cream. What did you get?
I got some milk chocolate, pomegranate, cheesecake and almond.
Okay, Todd, how was your day?
Great day.
It was a really great day. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed going around and exploring Mykonos. And it's time to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.